out of your copy-paste
go on.
dialogues. Madam Verma, please get out of your copy-paste dialogues. Every time you are
Please
the one
shut
who
up.
tickles others.
You are not even the official spokesperson.
It's
Just shut
let
up.
Sanju speak,
You should be ashamed of yourself.
No one to ask
Coming here and
anyone to
defending
shut
the
up. You
indefensible.
don't have the authority. You don't have the manners.
I know you don't have an
the
iota of
manners.
shame left
should
in you.
learn some
Women
manners
are being
first.
raped in broad daylight. Women are not being
We
given their
don't
daily
need to
wages.
learn anything from
The
the
land
BJP,
mafia has
the one
encroached
party
upon the
that
land of the
officially
poor
stands
and the
for gang
landless.
rapists.
And you are sitting
Your
here
party
and giving bhashan
officially,
to
your
the
government
BJP.
officially stands for
Or
gang
not,
rapists.
you can have
Please
this
don't
man debate
sodomite
because
us.
this is a sensitive issue. I don't know what is your compulsion. I will not debate with this.
Anirban, I asked her to respond. You speak after her. Thank you very much.
In any
Sanju.
This man is a gunda. You are legitimizing the goons and
Anirban,
gundas
now
of
come on,
TMC.
chill, yaar.
You are giving legitimacy to gundas like this man.
I said nothing. She does not know how to behave. She has no manners.
I do not need to learn demeanor and behavior from you.
Okay, Anirban,
If
now
you
you know
have the audacity and
you
the
be quiet
courage,
for a while. If
You need to
let
learn
her
everything.
speak and then you
Gang
respond. Thank
of
you. I'm saying
BJP
for the last
workers
time.
in
Thank you. We're wasting
Sandesh
time for
Khali.
this. We're wasting time here.
Can I
Thank
come
you.
in now?
Thank you.
Please. Thank you. May I make my point out very quickly? Honor, first and foremost, let's be very clear. Mamta Banerjee saying ये बीजेपी की साजिश है. Nothing is happening in Sandesh Khali which should arouse any form of remorse, regret or reprisal. I want to ask Mamta Banerjee one thing. If all is good in Sandesh Khali, why was Section 144 imposed? Thankfully, the High Court in Kolkata, the Kolkata High Court stepped in and said Section 144 is not to be imposed because there are no valid grounds. My point number two, Mamta Banerjee is not just the Chief Minister of West Bengal, she is the de facto Home Minister of West Bengal. Law and order under the 7th schedule of the Constitution is a state subject. When will Mamta Banerjee resign? She's failed as the Chief Minister, she's failed as the Home Minister. Imagine if something like this had happened in Uttar Pradesh, you would be asking for Yogi Adityanath's head on a platter. If something like this had happened in Assam, you would be asking for Himanta Biswa Sarma's head on a platter. If something like this had happened in Haryana, you would be asking for ML Khattar's head on a platter. And my last but not the least, my last point is this. Who is the SP?
Did you ask for Brijbhushan Saran Singh's head on a platter?
Who is the SP of
Did you ask
Sandesh
for his
Khali?
head?
It's a man called J.B. Thomas.
Minor girls,
Has J.B. Thomas been
girls
sacked?
alleged
Yes
against
or
him
no?
of sexual
The
harassment.
answer is no.
Day after
Why
day,
has the
serial
SP of
sexual
Sandesh Khali
Sanju,
not
Minor
been
girls,
sacked?
your party.
My second point. Who is the DGP of West Bengal? It's a man called Rajiv Kumar, who was earlier the police commissioner. He is himself an accused in the Rose Valley scam and in the Sarda and Narda scam. If such a man is appointed as the DGP of West Bengal by a defunct Mamta Banerjee government, then you can understand why the law and order situation has fallen apart in West Bengal. Why is DGP Rajiv Kumar not being sacked?
Now can I
Why is
respond
J.B.
now?
Thomas, the SP of
Or is she
Sandesh
going
Khali,
to
not
have
being
half an hour,
sacked?
all the 30 minutes herself?
Trinamool Congress is in power in all the 27 municipalities of North 24 Parganas. Sandesh Khali is a part of North 24 Parganas. Why have you not asked questions of the 27 municipal heads?